Xiaomi's upcoming vertically foldable device also seems to have advanced performance. Yesterday, I shared images with you that were officially published by Xiaomi, revealing the design and some features of this device. And now it has been Digital Chat Station who has shared with us some benchmarks of this device that would confirm its power and also a performance measurement in some of the most popular games today. So, let's start by looking at the Intuitive benchmark, which had a score of 100, 0900, 213,973 points. Not bad for a vertically foldable device. And on Geekbench, it reached 2,123 points in single-core, 6,512 points in multi-core. Remember that it is confirmed that this device will integrate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. But what's new here is that being a vertically foldable device, there is generally very little space for cooling, and all the foldables of this format that we have tested here have always had somewhat low performance in gaming due to the heat generated. So, we will have to see if Xiaomi has effectively resolved the cooling issue within their device, because at least at first glance, looking at these results, it seems that they have succeeded. Then in the screenshots where we see the level of frame rate stability, it truly looks impressive. Notice how it has practically 100% stability with 15 minutes of playing Honor of Kings, reaching 120 frames per second. Afterwards, they also played PUBG, reaching 60 frames per second with very good stability, with some small dips, but overall the performance was very good after 30 minutes of gameplay. And finally, in Genshin Impact, it also shows that it has 60 frames per second with a lot of stability, not 100%, but you can really appreciate a tremendous performance in the graph. Although it is not very well detailed what qualities were used in these games, as remember that some content can give you the option to choose lower graphics to give more priority to the refresh rate and many settings. So we will have to wait a little longer, but for now it seems like a device that could indeed have very good performance.